YakBack.
Hi, welcome to Yak Backpack. Look at all of our turkeys. Look at our turkey baster. Let's get a turkey. Which turkey should we get? Pop. There was a stove. A stove. Which turkey should we get? Pop. Pop. What's this? It's a sponge. Sponge. There's sponges. We found sponges under that turkey. Which turkey should we get? Pop. There was a stop sign under that turkey. Stop, stop, stop. A stop sign. Two turkeys left. Which turkey should we get? Pop. What's this? They're spots. There's spots. Spots. Look at all of the spots. Spots. Look at the spots. Last turkey. Pop. Pop. What's this? It's a spike. A spike. We found a spike. A stop sign. Some sponges. And a stove.
YakBack.